That's why I was telling you guys that whatever I say won't suffice to this beauty, this stunning stuff what our team has created. So a big round of applause for the whole team Revolt. See the current bikes, they give you one sound. और दूसरी sound के लिए अगर आपको उसकी sound change करानी होती है तो as I said, you have to go to the farm market, get your silencer cut, उसका फिर जो भी sound बनता है. But sound तो एक ही रहता है आपके पास. But why can't I have multiple sounds? It sounds futuristic, but today it is going to be real. Your Revolt bike will come with a sound inbuilt. This is first in its category. I'm not sure whether it's first in India or first in the world, but we know this is the first, which all of our team members were looking forward to. It's one step, it's a giant leap, in this category. So let's try and have a look.
I sound the same every day, with different sounds or no sound at all. Revolt, built for Generation Y.
Guys, your Revolt bike will come with 4 sounds inbuilt. 4 sounds, you can change the sound just by, just clicking on your app. That's it, you can change the sound, whatever sound you like. It can depend upon your clothing, it can depend upon your mood, it can depend upon various things. But it will come, with default with 4 sounds. We have not stopped here. We said, okay, we have built this sound, fantastic. This is a great feature to have. What next can we do? Remember, this is, we are building this for Generation Y. What next? What more can we do? Since, I come from the mobile phone industry, and we are used to download ringtones. So why can't I download the sound of my bike as a bike tone? So you can download the sound of a bike as a bike tone. You can change it anyways. 4 will be default sound, but in your app, you will have an access to multiple sounds which you can download, and every day you will have a new bike. Isn't it cool? And we will not stop here. We will open the whole ecosystem. We will open the whole source code. We will give it to people. If you want to make your own sounds, you can make your own sounds.